everyone! Today I want to show you how to make Qalb El Louz. You need 3 cups of coarse semolina, has to be thick semolina, 2 cups of sugar. Mix it all together very well between your palms, the way I'm doing it right now. So the sugar get mixed with the semolina very well. Add half a cup of vegetable oil. Mix it well between your palms. Has to be mixed with the sugar and semolina goes together, very well. And oil, what you put. So add half a cup of buttermilk. Mix it. With the thick semolina, it will be beautiful. Add half cup of blossom water. Mix it very well between your fingers. Don't knead it much. Just the way I'm doing it. See how you're flipping it over and over for the sugar and semolina and oil and everything. Now I put half a cup or 1 cup of almonds or peanuts. Add half teaspoon of cinnamon. It's up to your taste. If you like cinnamon, you can put 1 teaspoon. And add 2 spoons of the mix that we just did. And just mix it together. See how? Just mix it well. And you can put peanuts, walnut, almond, doesn't matter. You don't want to put at all. Just, you don't have to put this. See how it is? Now we bring your pan and just spread some oil. Don't put too much, just a little bit, and spread it with the brush around. See, put any pan you have. Now I'm gonna cut it in half. See? I'm gonna pick it up and put it in the center. And you don't have to press on it. It goes by itself for now. So to give me time to put the filling. Now we're gonna put the filling. See how I'm doing it? Just spread it all around. Now spread the other half on top. Just put it on side. It moves by itself because it's a little bit liquidy, so it goes by itself. Now I'm tapping it on the top. Make sure everything is even and covered. See, if there is any opening, just cover it. Tap it, so for the air, and to make it even too. See how? If you do it with the thick semolina, mine is not thick enough, but it came very nice. But if you find the thick one, it will be very nice. Design it with almonds or peanuts or walnut, doesn't matter, whatever you have at home. Don't forget to preheat the oven 390 Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for 50 minutes. Make sure to check on it because every oven is different. For the syrup, I already prepared mine, but I'll tell you how many you need. Use 3 cups of water and 1.5 cup of sugar and half a lemon. Mix it until it gets dissolved. And put it on the stove. Let it boil. When it gets to the boiling point, then count 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you turn it off. After you turn off, add 1 tablespoon of blossom water. Now it's done. But for you guys, let it cook more, get brown on top. Make sure apply the syrup cold on the Qalb El Louz. That's how it works. Make sure you put enough around until and cut it. See how crunchy it is? That's how it gets. I like to cut mine into small pieces, but you guys, you can cut it big pieces, no problem. I cut so the syrup goes inside fast. Leave it sit for an hour or 45 minutes, and you can start serving it. It's beautiful, it's delicious. Here's one for you. My son is gonna taste it and tell the truth.
I can eat the rest, right?
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with family and friends. Thank you.